Hi, my name's Ian Seeger. I've been publishing this magazine for about 26 years, and today I just wanted to have a quick chat about how we put the magazine together, what's in it, and why it's a great idea for you to subscribe. Obviously, I'm slightly biased. Looking at this particular issue, I suppose on average there's maybe 12 to 15 people involved in creating the content, between photography, writing, editing, so it's quite a big team effort. So, what have we got? Stunning photography. There's some pretty impressive writing, all apart from my column, which, frankly, not that impressive when compared to Mark Hale's, Matt did, and usually it's me just getting in trouble with the CAA, trying to explain what they're doing wrong. But hey, someone's got to do it, haven't they? Flight tests. The flight tests. Magazine flight tests, they're not, it's not like we're test pilots from Boscombe Down. It's not like we're trying to find out whether an aeroplane is certified or not. What we try and do is two things. We try and put you, the reader, in the cockpit. We try and give you some idea of what the experience is like flying that particular aeroplane, what the emotions are like, what the feelings are like, how it reacts. It's kind of putting you in the cockpit. Safety is a really important part of flight for everyone. It's not one of those things that hopefully we don't get depressed about reading about safety. We read about safety because we want to learn from others. We want to try and figure out the mistakes other people made. And let's be honest, most of the time it's not the airplane that fails. It's the meatware behind the stick. Guilty. The other key thing about the magazine is the free landing fees. We've been doing free landing fees for, I don't know, maybe 20 years, 20 years, something like that. I don't know. We currently have 6 in issue now. Bit of a sore point at the moment. If you'd landed at all 6 places, you'd have saved 49 quid, which, for a magazine that costs £4.99, not bad value. In fact, you probably only really need to land at one of them to save the magazine. Landing fees have got a bit of a problem at the moment. Basically, we're not flying. There might be a few aircraft flying around, but most of us are not doing any flying. So the chance to use the landing fees, I don't know. It's a bit of a who knows? Maybe you'll be able to, maybe you won't. We've included them, okay? And as soon as we're back flying, which we will be, there'll be more landing fees. Every issue, 6 free landing fees. What else have I got to say about this? Photography. Ed Hicks. Ed started off with us as our photographer. I bumped into Ed up at Garston Farm once. I was having a cup of tea after landing, and Ed sort of said, I wonder if I could have a chat. And we had a chat, and I have to say, the magazine has changed massively for the better for Ed. Ed went on from taking pictures, became our features editor, became our editor, and is now editor-in-chief. What else do? We go around shows, we look at shows, we report on shows, the ones that you can't get to. This magazine, Flyer, lots and lots of people work bloody hard to bring you the best possible magazine they can. We've currently got a subscription offer, £7.50 a quarter via direct debit for UK addresses only. It gets you 13 issues delivered to your door over the space of a year. We do 13 issues, come out every 4 weeks. You get access to the digital subscriptions with that, so go online and get access to all of the copies. What else? I'd like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. YouTube's an increasing part of our content. We'll be delivering more and more videos. So if you subscribe to the YouTube channel, that would be fantastic. And if you click the bell, that would also get you notified.